This 2023 Holiday Rambler Vacationer 36F is a Class A RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Courvelle's RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Holiday Rambler is 38 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10, external shower, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, DVD player, LP detector, microwave, awning, refrigerator, leveling jacks, skylight, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk beds, bunk over cab, full wall slide, mid-bunk, outdoor entertainment, 2 full baths. This 2023 Holiday Rambler Vacationer 36F is built on a Ford F-53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.